I had replaced the reverse lights before, and I went to AutoZone and I got the bright whites, but it's not the LED versions. And then I decided to order the LED version from the Amazon. So here is the package, guys, right here. At first, when I got it, I'm like, there's nothing in here. And I was looking, I thought it was a piece of paper, but then I found it right in this corner, guys. Now, time to open it. I don't have no box code or anything, guys, but let's see if I can be able to open it like this. No issue. And no problem. There we go. And voila. In this big bag that they put here, we got ourselves the reverse LED from JDM Astrid. And no, it is not sponsored, guys. It is not sponsored. Gentle. So these are looking delicate to me. This one right there. Another one. Show you the process of how to replace these with Amazon reverse LED lights. All I need to take out is this right here. Screwdriver. I already got it ready and set with the Phillip. And then I gotta come here, take this one out and this one out. So now, guys, as you see, I popped it on very carefully. There we go, as you heard the clips. And of course, you're gonna see these little good stuff. Just gonna remove that, make sure it's clean here. Okay, so we gotta make sure there, which is the bottom one. Here is the one that's on the car, as you saw the reverse lights that I showed you guys. Now I'm gonna put these on. Easy as can be. As you can see, put it back in this clip right here gently. I'm not gonna put the screws in yet because I want to check it before I even lock it up again. Once again, do the same thing as I did on the left side. And get it clipped good. Double check that you got the right one. It's right there at the bottom. Move this one out. Take this out. The other. Put it in. Hold gently because you don't want to damage it. Lock it up correctly, that won't go nowhere. Put it back in. Now I'm gonna test it out like I said before I even screw it back on. Can see, guys, look at the big difference on the reverse LED lights. It is way much better, guys. Oh, by the way, don't mind this, guys. This is just the clips I need to put back on. I know at the beginning of the video, and I didn't want to end the video without telling you that this is easy. It's just the clips that I had to put back on. But other than that, guys, there you have it. New LED lights from Amazon. Appreciate you guys watching.